What's up, Bearded Nation? Welcome back to the channel. This is our second channel. This is the Bearded Cyclist because I just wanted to make another channel. This is my daughter Jessica. She is training for a half marathon, and today we are going to do 6.5 miles of hills running. She's running. I'm going to ride the mountain bike because I'm not running. I don't want to do that. But that's our plan for today. If you guys like content like this, don't forget that like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, all that happy stuff. But we need to get going because it is currently 20 degrees out, and the real feel is like, what, 9 degrees out. So we need to get going, plus it's windy. So there's that. All right, I'm hopping on the bike. Jesse, have fun.
All right.
Vamos, Jesse! I'm already out of gears. Ah! Oh, that burned. slow. Yeah, don't worry, we're going slow. Look at this view. That's awesome. So much fun. Whee! I'm a wee! Oh, sloppy. Oh, that's sloppy. Oh, spicy there. Ooh. Ooh, downshift. My legs are going super fast and I'm going nowhere. Oh, I had another gear. Yep, still going nowhere. Feel the burn. This is such a stupid idea. Snow everywhere. That's snow. And ice. Oh, these hills suck. I ain't no quitter. I'm about to, but I'm not right now. Okay, this is my turnaround spot and start heading back. Ooh, good time, so much fun. Oh, headwind, nice. And if I thought I was going slow coming, It lasts slower going back. Okay. Whoa. This one sucks. How deep this snow is. What'd I do to get a shot? Oh, you puppies just stay up there. So I got to the top of that hill and I had to stop because my GoPro battery died, so I figured I'd take a little break. And I went to get a drink of water and my water bottle is frozen. This was a great idea to cycle in the cold. I'm having a good time. I don't know where Jessie is. I hope she's okay. She hasn't called me, so if she calls me, I know I need to hurry and get back. But with this headwind and these hills, I'm just taking my time. If I had my gravel bike, so much easier. I have more gears on a gravel bike than I do on this mountain bike. But at least we're riding bikes a lot more than some people are doing. They're home sitting on the couch like you people watching these videos. I'm just saying, I appreciate the support, but get out and move, go do something. All right, let's keep going. Suffering. Like deja vu. I think I've been here before. It's going the other way. Here we go. So much fun. And this part's not so fun.
Pausing ride.
This is so dumb. But we're almost there. That wind is crazy. Well, that was fun. Did you have fun?
No.
It was not fun. So, did you get all your 6.5 miles?
Yeah.
Good for her. She got her 6.5 miles. I didn't even bother to check my Strava. I don't know. Going down, I was fine. Tailwind pushed me. Life is great. Then I turned around. And that's when it became apparent I suck. Like it was bad. And then my water bottles froze, so I didn't have nothing to drink. There were some dogs barking at me at one point. They stayed on the porch though, because they knew better. They didn't know better. It was cold days. Like, let that guy go. He's stupid enough to be out in this. We're just gonna let him go. He's gonna probably die anyway. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this adventure. If you guys like content like this, to watch us suffer miserably, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, share with your friends and family. And as always, we'll see you in our next dumb idea. All right, take care, everybody. Bye. Say bye, Jesse. Peace. That was so stupid.